Okay, hi. I already got her blindfolded and everything. We were gonna make another video, but then I mentioned something she did not want mentioned. But hi, I'm Elsie, that's Zoe, and we're playing Guess That Snack. I'm gonna put something on some things, or she's gonna make some things, and she has to try to guess it. Okay, here we go. Can't breathe. A little bit too much there.
I smell cinnamon, Mom. Elsie! I felt that! Oh my god! Can you remake that snack? Because I already know what half the things it's on.
Oh!
That was not pleasurable. It's all over the table now. Look at this. It's all over the table. If anybody else can see this, please help me. Pick up the baby food. I already know that was it.
Oh my god, they stole.
Put them on the table. Don't put them back in there. Braxton, eat those.
Yeah, Braxton, dude. Okay, I'll put them on the table.
Not in front of me. In the pile.
Okay, I'm putting this and this. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Huh?
What's on it? How could you not taste that?
Is it cracker?
Yeah?
Cheese?
Yeah?
The cinnamon?
Yeah, and?
And there's an and to that? It's a cinnamon toast crunch.
No.
Oh, that was a cinnamon. What was it then?
Baby Puffs?
Oh. Elsie! You were such a pig.
I'm not a pig, it fell off the cracker.
This is still a pig mess.
For real, you can even ask him. Okay. I put it on like this. I had a lot more than that. And I'm like, oh crap. And then I went to put it back in and it went psh.
You can't put it back in and it's already touched other food, Dumbo.
That failed. Okay, she's going again. Do not. Oh.
She's nasty.
Do not try baby food with cinnamon. It tastes disgusting.
And so, weren't these just on the floor?
Yeah. I gave you one. I'm just kidding. Okay, hood, add down. Because we're living in the hood today. Yay, yay, yay. No. It's going to be a while, so close your mouth.
How many toppings are you adding?
3 or 4?
This is cheese.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
And cinnamon!
She's going to love this snack. It has 2 of her favorite things on it. Oh gosh, that's too much.
Where are the crackers? That's not crackers! That's not crackers! Was this peanut butter?
No. No. It's me going like this. Okay, put your blindfold down. I'm eating these.
Elsie, stop! You're wasting a lot of food.
Put your thing down.
We just wasted a bunch of that. You wasted all of that. And a cracker! You wasted a cracker!
Put your thing down. Okay, put it down.
No. I'm not done.
Mom. Can you see?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Maybe.
Okay, are you ready? Huh?
Okay.
This is a very intense game. There's 4 things.
I'm trying to swallow the one. That was a lot of Nutella.
Yep, that's one.
A cracker.
Yep.
Cheese.
Yep.
Is there honey nut Cheetos on it?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Sandwich toast crunch?
Yep. She does not get that point.
I do not.
Took it twice. Alright. Me turn.
I need a break turn.
Okay, we're gonna take a break and be right back.
Hey guys, we're back again. And Elsie is now blindfolded and coughing over here.
I just had some cinnamon.
Which I think was stupid because she already knew that it didn't taste good, so.
I just thought it would taste better. Second. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try this again. And this is my first my first time doing this.
Your first time doing this? No, it's not.
No, it's my first time doing this in this video. So
Yay. Gonna move around some stuff just so you can be confused.
Oh.
What was that?
I don't know. I have weird things like that happen to me all the time. I'd be like talking to my relatives and then I'll just go, "Achoo!" Only around my family
But I'm not family.
and friends, but really close friends.
For the people that are gonna watch this that are strangers or really close friends.
No, I just don't picture them like watching me. You know, I just picture you like criticizing me on the web. You're stupid.
Yeah, have fun with that. Having fun there, trying to make me mad. Dude, just no.
I'm an angel. Yeah, that's a lie.
That's a super mega lie though.
If anyone knows how Michael, everybody knows that. I'm not even close to an angel. That's just remind.
Ready? There's 5 things in
A
it.
cracker?
Yep.
Cheese?
Cheese?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Cinnamon toast crunch.
Yep.
Peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
A rabbit.
Mm-mm.
Baby food.
Mm-mm. It was Cheerios and cinnamon that's left out.
Wow, come on. What? She's trying to kill me twice. No, 3 times.
Okay, we're gonna go again.
Probably
This one's gonna be on the spoon, okay?
Oh, God. Has to be my spoon.
Huh?
It has to be my spoon.
Okay. I'll make sure it isn't your spoon. Yes, I am.
I'm probably gonna fall and break my neck.
Probably. Like Elsie.
I'm gonna say hi. Hi.
I made a mess, but I could clean it up and then maybe
Funny face.
shaking some stuff. Chicken swim
You
stuff.
can see me.
Chicken swim
Can you see me?
stuff. I can see your face, but not your eyes.
That's a good thing wherever you are. Because I can't see you, you can't see me, you cannot know my identity.
But what if they saw your face beforehand?
See anything?
Okay, open up.
Oh God.
Ah.
Oh.
Just swallow it all. Okay. That was a lot of it.
Peanut butter?
Mhm.
Baby food?
Mhm.
Cheese?
Mhm.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Yep.
And Cheerios.
There's no Cheerios. You guessed all of it before. I was just trying to confuse you, but you still got the point.
Okay, I still get that point.
My turn. Do, 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 do.
Ew. That's nasty. Oh, I'm still growing. Alright.
Make fun.
This one's gonna be on the spoon, by the way, too.
Stop eating all the baby food. We need that. How about we this? We just stop using the baby food because we're using a lot of that.
No baby food, hey? My hair is messy. Did I just take it down?
I didn't even need mine tied. I just put it on perfectly.
No!
These crackers. No, I deserve crackers. They're my crackers. They're not your crackers.
Oh my God.
You're just jealous of my crackers.
No, I'm not. I have like 5 boxes of those crackers.
Shut up.
My hair doesn't look as bad now. This will be on the spoon.
Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot.
I have a secret recipe.
By the way, we're not using cinnamon anymore, okay? Because cinnamon, oh my god.
Ew.
You just got more stuff.
No, it was on my sock. Girl! Stop eating some crackers.
Alright.
Just stop. Okay? I'm not showing them what I'm giving you this time.
You have to. Just put it up to the screen like I did.
Okay. Wait, what?
I put the spoon up to the screen so they can see it.
This has a lot of pins in it. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. 4 pins? Say, here comes the airplane. I'm gonna go there.
I have to do it over the table. Cheese,
Yes.
Honey Nut Cheerios,
Yes.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch,
Yes. And one last touch. You're madly in love with it. And it's not a cream or anything.
is it a quacker?
Yep. Yay! First point for her.
Oh, I'm special.
I got like 2 and she got 1. Very, very, very sadly 1.
My mom said that she was only supposed to be here for an hour and 15 minutes, but it's been like 3-4 hours.
No.
Yeah, because you can.
Well, we're gonna end there. Bye. Push the stop button.
Why? We still have to give me another turn.
Bye.